Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you what each stage of SENspeller looks like. SENspeller has 3 distinct stages of development, and this helps to ensure your child is learning to spell rather than simple letter matching. In stage 1, here you can see the letters of the words are shadowed, so it should be relatively simple for your child to match each correct letter to the corresponding letter. And in stage 1, the letters can be dragged and dropped in any order, as you can see.
K, I, E, E, boy.
Okay, in stage 2, here you can see there are no shadowed letters for your child to match. Here your child must drag and drop each letter to the correct space and in the correct order. And I'd just like to say at this point that I wouldn't attempt to move your child onto stage 2 unless you were sure they're competent in stage 1. As you can see,
C,
I wouldn't be able to move the R there. It has to be in the right order.
R, car. Good work.
Okay, and in stage 3, here you can see that as well as all the letters required to spell the word, there's also an array of other letters. So in stage 3, your child must drag and drop the correct letters in the correct order to successfully spell the word. And again, I would not attempt to move your child onto stage 3 unless they're fully competent in stage 2. So as a parent, you can monitor your child's progress through the stages, and please see the tutorial on monitoring progress in SENspeller, which will show you how to do this. That completes this tutorial on the different stages of SENspeller. Thank you for watching.